Okay, I wanted to show a quick video of the IMRELAX brand 200 watt COB with zoom indoor fixture. There's a lot of things I do like about this, but one thing I didn't realize when I ordered it is the fan noise. So I'm going to get close so you can hear it, and then I'm going to unplug the power. Okay, so you can hear what it sounds like without the fan running. Plug it back in. Sounds kind of like a projector when a projector's on. That's a little disappointing. Put a decibel meter on it. It's about 50 decibels at this range. If you back up to maybe the closest audience members would be maybe 20 or 25 feet away if this is hanging overhead, which is going to go up there and replace one of those so I can actually test it out once it's up there installed. It goes down to about 35 decibels at this range, if not a little bit lower than that. If you got a room full of people, it's probably going to be fine, but a whole lighting rack and rig of these, I'm not really sure. I'm trying to find solutions that didn't have fan noise, but this is a $200 solution. So basically just going to bring up channel 1. It's going to turn on the beam. Now this is in the wide state. It goes down to 15, so 15 degrees, and that's 50 degrees. Now I have the I want to turn this back off for a second. So I had the exposure set with just a few lights on overhead, some ceiling lights. So I had the exposure set in the Filmic Pro app so that the exposure won't change when I turn on this light. So you can see kind of relatively how bright it is. That's really going to be a fantastically bright light. Very white in color. I was hoping it'd be warm, or maybe a little bit warmer than it is, but again, it's hard to tell at a ground angle like this, a straight on angle. We'll see once we get it up overhead how well it does. My guess is we're not even going to run it at 100%. We'll probably run it a little bit lower than that. So the first channel is just turning the light on and off. The third channel is what changes the angle 15 to 50. And then the second channel here actually is a strobe speed. So that's kind of cool. But you wouldn't use that very often, obviously. So if that's all the way off, then you're back to normal operation. So that's the IMRELAX, I guess is the name of the brand. 200 watt COB fixture with zoom. You can see a little dinged up place here on the back. It arrived this way. It also looks like the back housing, which has some of the electronics, I guess, and stuff in it, is only held on by just a rivet on the top and a rivet on the bottom of this can. So this whole pot kind of jiggles back and forth, but if this is a permanent install, that's probably not going to be an issue for you. But that is that, and thank you very much for watching.